today's video is a little bit different than usual. From anyone that isn't familiar with our channel, we're called Popex Sisters and it's run by myself, Lorraine, and my sister Amy. So today's video, as you can see from the title, is kind of like a hair tutorial and just the steps that I take to style my natural curly hair. And Amy didn't need to be in it today, so yeah, it's just me. Feels a bit weird. So yeah, let's get into it. So I thought to start with, I'd just kind of go through the history of my hair and the journey that I've been on. So I have tried every hair technique in the world. I started off straightening my natural hair and then adding clip-in extensions, which did not go well for me. And then I dyed it brown and carried on straightening it, so it did cut. And then I went into weave, which I'm loving. It's a great protective hair method for me and it's allowed my curls to come back. But I did have leave out, hence why I just thought I'd be honest and transparent. Some of my curls, like you can see in the top, they're not as defined as these babies. So yeah, that's kind of why it looks like that, but we'll rock it, it's fine. And especially with it being isolation and quarantine here in the UK, it made complete sense for me to just give my hair a break from the straighteners and go all natural. So yeah, so in this video I just thought I'd do an intro, but I will show you how I dampen my hair and what product I put in and how I brush it through and the finished product. So let's do it. So guys, as you can see, my hair is a bit wetter, so I've just dampened it in the bathroom. But loads of people use, you know, those little spray bottle things. Like that's a bit easier, less messy. I've got water all over my top, but anyway, we move. So the product I'm using is coconut curling cream. Come on, there we go, by Cantu. It's so good, I recommend it so much. It's been life-changing for me because my curls kind of what's the word for it, they like a lot of oil, and that one is perfect, but I don't like too much. Right, so now I'm sectioning off my hair and then I'm just brushing through with the Denman Brush. Another product I totally recommend. Okay, there we go. So before I did this, I did wash my hair and shampoo it, just because I find that if I do this hair technique when it's like day 3 or 4, it hurts a little bit, like it's harder to brush through. I don't know if anyone else feels that. Like my hair is so easier to manage when it's the first day of washing. So yeah, I just do tiny little, if I go a bit closer, go like that, brush it through. I hope you guys can see because my hair is quite dark, so I don't know whether it's showing up, but yeah. So I do it my hair in halves. It's just easier for me that way because then I know at least one side is done and can dry while I do the other, and then I just kind of give it one more big brush through. Oh, missed a piece there. There we go. And the product smells so nice, by the way. I think it's the coconut. Like, I also deep condition my hair with coconut oil and it smells so good. I don't actually hate it when it's in and it's pouring down my face. Okay. So as you can see, it really doesn't take that long. Well, not for me anyway. I think if my hair wasn't detangled, that would be a whole other issue. I'd probably be crying on camera, but because I have done it in the shower, it's really quick and I love that. I don't know about anyone else, but I am so impatient when it comes to my hair. I just really want a quick method where I can just leave. Hence why I kind of do weave, just because it's one less thing to worry about, but I love my natural curls. So yeah, the quicker the better for me. Right, so if I just do this last part. Brush that through. Okay, here we go. So yeah, as you can see, let me come a bit closer. This bit's already starting to dry a bit. And what I like about this technique is it kind of divides my curls on their own. So they should dry like that, and they shouldn't really merge together, but famous last words. So yeah, anyway, I leave my hair like this just to naturally dry. I know some people use diffusers, but for me personally, I'm not in a rush at the moment, and I have plenty of time before I go to work, so I tend to just leave it to air dry. But yeah, you could use a diffuser with this and you'll blow dry it if you are in a rush and you want it dry, but my hair dries quite quickly. But yeah, that's what I do. I will link the curling cream below. Amy actually buys this, but I'll get her to give me the website, and I can link that down below for anyone. The Denman brush you can get from most stores. For the UK, I know 100% Boots have it, and I think Superdrug, but I feel like it's being spread out more, so there's probably other shops that I haven't thought to mention that have them, but I can link Boots or Superdrug down for you guys just to make it a bit quicker. And they have so many different variations, like we have so many in our house, I don't know why. We've got like 3 black, that grey, we've got a bamboo one. But yeah, so now I will just leave it to dry, and I'll come back later and just finish the video. But I hope I didn't go too quick. If I did, guys, let me know down below. So guys, I hope that tutorial step-by-step guide was really helpful or useful. If anybody has any questions, as always, please comment down below or DM me on Instagram. Our Instagrams are linked in the description. Like and subscribe, please, and yeah, let us know if hair kind of videos are something that you guys would be interested in, because we're more than happy. We do so many different styles, but yeah, this is just us dipping our toes in. But yeah, let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye.